Hi, my beautiful family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm Limo and I'm so happy today to share another great video with you all. So into this video, I will be going over a quick tutorial on how to make a quick crochet hair. So here is the crochet hair I purchased on Amazon. I got this about $36 and it has roughly about 9 different parts with the hair in it. And it also comes with the pin and a little tap for the hair as well. Yeah, and also in each one of those hair parts, the hair itself, I think, is the total will be about. Let's count it together to see what total we're gonna have for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 showing of hair in each one of those parts. So I'm just going to already have my hair braided, so I'm just going to use the pin and just go through the entire thing. So watch me, guys, as I put in my crochet hair. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, and I see you at the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.
You know who made it.